Critical thinking. Critical thinking is the ability to think clearly and rationally, to understand the logical connection between ideas, to engage in reflective and independent thinking, and to reason. It is a higher level cognitive skill that involves thinking about thinking, that is, a metacognitive skill. It consists of analysis and synthesis of Bloom's taxonomy. Critical thinkers are active learners rather than passive recipients of knowledge. They question ideas and assumptions rather than accepting them at face value. Critical thinkers always seek to determine whether the ideas, arguments, and findings represent the entire picture and are open to finding that they do not. They will identify, analyze, and solve problems systematically rather than by intuition or instinct. Characteristics of a person having critical thinking skills. Understand the links and logical connections between ideas. Identify the relevance of ideas and evaluate arguments. Recognize, construct, and appraise arguments. Identify the inconsistencies and errors in reasoning. Approach problems in a consistent manner and solve problems systematically. Reflect on the justification of one's own assumptions, beliefs, and values. Skills required for critical thinking: observation, analysis, interpretation, reflection, evaluation, inference, explanation, problem solving, and decision making are some of the skills. A topic, issue, idea is viewed in an objective and critical manner. Identify the arguments that arise from a particular issue. Evaluate the strength and validity of a viewpoint. Recognize the possible weakness or negative points in the evidence or argument. Notice the implications behind a statement or argument. Provide structured reasoning and support for an argument. Now we shall see the evaluation of critical thinking skills. Some psychological tests used for evaluating critical thinking skills are given. They are the California Critical Thinking Disposition Inventory, Watson-Glaser Critical Thinking Appraisal, California Critical Thinking Skills Test, the Halpern Critical Thinking Assessment, Cornell Critical Thinking Test, and Cognitive Reflection Test. The California Critical Thinking Disposition Inventory is detailed here, and you can see that it measures 7 different thinking habits. They are truth-seeking, open-mindedness, analyticity, systematicity, confidence in reasoning, inquisitiveness, and maturity of judgment. A brief description of the popular standardized tests that are used to evaluate critical thinking skills are Watson-Glaser Critical Thinking Appraisal. The standard version consists of multiple choice question for an hour-long test. There are 2 versions, A and B, that are supposed to be equivalent and so can be used to measure changes in critical thinking over a period of time. California Critical Thinking Skills Test. A more recent test that can also be completed online with subscores for different categories such as analysis, inference, induction, etc. The Halpern Critical Thinking Assessment focuses on 5 dimensions of critical thinking, that is, verbal reasoning, argument analysis, thinking as hypothesis testing, likelihood and uncertainty, and decision making and problem solving. Cornell Critical Thinking Test. There are 2 levels. Assessment topics include induction, deduction, credibility, identification of assumptions, etc. Cognitive Reflection Test. It consists of only 3 short questions. It provides a measurement of rational and reflective thinking. Now we shall see critical thinking in science. In science, critical thinking requires review of how the activities are conducted, how the ideas emerge, and the ways the activities can be refined. It is the ability to analyze information and experiences in an objective manner. It involves abstract thinking. Now we shall see the role of science teacher in critical thinking. Science teachers can facilitate critical thinking by emphasizing the following actions: readiness to review and reflect the work done for improvement and rectification of errors, identify and rectify mistakes that occurred and to avoid them next time, considering different ways or alternative ways, identifying the aspects that are supporting and opposing the method adopted, focusing on relevant scientific facts. Questions to develop critical thinking. Ask open-ended questions like your viewpoint, what do you think about it? Assume that. Examples: how can we use science to create a better world? Second question: what would have happened to our society if nuclear energy had never been harnessed as a weapon? Third one: is technology inevitable for the progress of science? Some critical thinking prompts for learners are also given. You can see that. Like clarify, identify what's implemented in, design a dash using something, etc. Conclusion. Critical thinking involves gathering and evaluating information from various sources. Critical thinking requires self-assessment, insight and foresight, and reviewing and modifying decisions on the basis of result obtained on its implementation. The flip book is given in the description. Thank you.